Yeah, I'm Harry Mitchelson, own Mitchelson Fisheries. We fish out of Lakes Entrance in Australia. We catch sardines mainly and salmon. We've got a fleet of boats. We've got half a dozen boats. This is the salmon boat. Then we catch, what do we catch? We catch pilchards, sardines, octopus, scallops, prawns, catch everything. The heart of any boat is the motor, and the heart of any boat who's got a good motor, you've got to keep the air clean, you've got to keep the fuel clean, and you've got to keep the water clean. XB keeps the fuel clean, and I'm really pedantic about clean fuel, good motor, less carbon, less emissions, good for the environment. We fish about 100 mile down the coast towards Wilson's Promontory, and over the last 4 years that I've been using XB, I've noticed that our fuel consumption's gone down about 40 litres per trip, which doesn't sound a lot, but if you do 100 trips, that's 4,000 litres, or, you know, you can work it out yourself. We don't save a lot there, but we don't do the air cleaners as much. We don't do the fuel filters, less smoke coming out. Motors really run well, and you've got to get a lot of life out of your motors because they're very expensive to do up. I've found that using it in the genset fuel has really helped the gensets. So most fishermen now we have 2 gensets on here. You should at least put it in your genset and give it a try. And once you give it a try, I think you'll find you'll go for your main motors too. The cost of it is outweighed by the fuel savings, so virtually it doesn't cost you anything if you're using it properly. So I would recommend it.
Tony Kemner, Far Out Charters Lakes Entrance. I started fishing charters in 2003, and my day generally starts at 3 a.m. in the morning, so when you turn the key onto the vessel and start the engine, you want to hear it start and run properly. Yeah, commercial fishing, so, you know, from charters to commercial fishing, it's the motor's always running. Well, I do preventative maintenance, so I do work to the engine prior to things going wrong, and I was introduced to the product from my mechanic that does the work, and he said it's a good fuel additive. So I tried it, and yeah, it's been fantastic. I've noticed less soot on the transom, the engine's running better, and the fuel efficiency's a lot better. Well, the thing is now I put it in everything. I put it in my ride-on mower, the car, the truck. Yeah, it goes in absolutely everything. So if everything lasts longer, why wouldn't you use it?
XB Enzyme Fuel Technology.